Are you having trouble getting your Android phone out of safe mode? In this video, we'll show you how to turn off safe mode on your Android device step by step. Normally, it should be pretty easy to get out of safe mode. But if you get stuck or don't know how to get out of it, this guide is for you. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. First, reboot your Android device. When your Android device is in safe mode, the best way to get back to normal mode is to restart it. You can restart your Android phone by pressing and holding the power button. Next, check the physical buttons. If you didn't set your Android phone to safe mode on purpose, it could be because a physical button is broken. To get into safe mode, you have to press a certain set of buttons. If your phone keeps getting stuck in safe mode, it may be because your buttons are broken. Next, use the notification panel. Some Android phones let you turn off safe mode by showing a message at the top of the screen when it is turned on. Make sure you check the notification panel and leave safe mode from there if this is the case. Next, restart to recovery mode. Some people will use recovery mode to fix a phone that is stuck in safe mode. Even though it depends on the phone and model, we can give you an idea of how to boot to recovery mode on a Samsung. Before you begin to boot to recovery mode, make sure to connect your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 to your computer using the USB-C cable that you use for charging. You can also use third-party USB cable if you no longer have the original cable. Turn off the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 via the power menu. Press and hold the volume up and power buttons for a few moments. Then, release the power button once the Samsung logo appears. Do not release the volume up button until the recovery screen is displayed. Once you're in recovery mode, let go of the volume up button. Lastly, perform a factory reset. In this case, doing a factory reset is the last thing that you want to do. A factory reset will erase all the data in your phone, and unfortunately, there's nothing much that you can do at this point to save them before doing a reset. If you were able to successfully boot the device to recovery mode earlier, you can select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option to perform a factory reset. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.